What's good, guys? So I got another way for you to make money online. You can make $200 to $300 per day with this method, promoting affiliate products. It's easy, it's not hard, and it's pretty quick to set up. So with that being said, let's jump into my computer so I can show you everything that you need to get started. But before we get started, guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you can stay alerted whenever I post new content. Also, do me a favor and smash that like button if you found the content of today's video useful. Alright, let's stop wasting time and jump straight into it. So just like I mentioned a few seconds ago, I'll be showing you a good way to make between $200 to $300 per day online promoting affiliate products, okay? And before I start, guys, I want to let you know that if you stick to the end of the video, I will be showing you a bonus way to make some extra cash. And this is even easier than this method right here. But you have to stick around to the end in order to see it, all right? So with that out of the way, let's go ahead and get this thing started. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go ahead and go over to Clickbank and you need to get you an affiliate product, okay? Now, for the sake of time, I've already picked one out. We're going to go ahead and use the 12-minute affiliate system. This is an affiliate product from Clickbank, and we're going to go ahead and use this. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go ahead and click promote, and I'm going to go ahead and put in my nickname and generate a hop link, and then I'm going to copy it and I'm going to save it and put it to the side for later. All right, so we'll go ahead and close this out. And the site that we'll be focused on today is called freeclassifiedads.com. This is a site that allows you to put up free ads. That's free ads that you can put up, okay? And that's of anything online or offline, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to take the affiliate product and we're going to place it on this site. All right. And just so you know, tons of people are using these sites looking for jobs and gigs and online business and stuff like that. There's plenty of people who are posting stuff and plenty of people who are on the site looking for stuff. Okay. So there is plenty of traffic going on this site, just so you know that it's not a waste of time. All right. So what you're going to go ahead and do is sign up to the site and get yourself all set up. They're going to send you an email to verify, and once you verify, then you have access to the website. Now I've already done that and I'm already logged in. So what you're going to do is come right up here where it says post a free ad, and you're going to click on that. All right. Once you click on post a free ad, then you're going to get like a small list of categories, okay? And what you want to pick is business opportunities. Well, you know what? Depends on what niche you pick is what category that you would choose. Because I chose an affiliate marketing product, I'm going to go ahead and go to business. So let me just clarify that. All right, if you're doing something that's not business or make money online, then of course you would pick a different category. But because I did, this is what I'm doing. All right, so anyway. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on affiliate marketing because it is an affiliate marketing product. All right. And then you're going to come up to a screen like this. All right. So like I said, I pre-set up this one in the duration because like I said, it's free. You choose 30 days free. And then you have your title. All right. And then you have your description. Now, what you could do, you can look around the site to see how other people are promoting theirs, and you can try to make a title and a description similar, or you can go ahead and go on the affiliate page, right? And you can use the resources that they have there to try to come up with a title and a description, okay? And you know this stuff already works because the product is selling. So, you know, if you can't find nothing on the other side, you know, you can always come back and check out the affiliate assets and see what you can use there. So going back to it, all right, you have your title and you have your description, all right? You don't need to put a price or anything like that because you're going to be sending them to a website, all right? You don't have to put in your phone number, you don't have to put in your address, but you do have to put in a region, okay? And the thing with these sites is, right, it goes by region. So you can set up multiple ads in different places. So like, we'll say this is United States and pick Pennsylvania. Okay, then it's going to ask you for a city, and we'll say Pittsburgh. All right, let's see where you're at, Pittsburgh. All right. So like I said, you can set up multiple ads in different places. You can set one up for New York. You can set one up for California. It really, it's up to you. And this also works for people who are outside the United States as well. You just have to find your country over here in the drop down list, and then you can go from there and post wherever you want to post it at. All right. So with that out of the way, you want to go ahead and paste your Clickbank link right here. All right. Then after that's done, you can go ahead and hit next step. There we go. All right. So once you get done with that page, you'll be brought to this page, and what you can do is the first thing you can do is upload a photo. All right. Or you can add a video. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and add a YouTube video. Okay. So basically, you can just pull up any YouTube video. If you're doing a product from Clickbank, just look up the review for that video. All right. There'll be plenty of YouTube videos that'll have reviews on that product. So you can go ahead and pull up one of those videos, copy the YouTube link, and then come back to the site and add that video URL right here. Okay. And then for images, you can go ahead and use one of the images from the affiliate product itself. So once you have your video and your image uploaded, all right, you can go ahead and you can click on continue in this, and then you'll be brought to this screen. And right here it says the cost is free because you are posting a free ad. All right, then you can continue the next step. All right, all of this stuff is free. So once that's done, all you have to do is click publishing, and your ad is up. And then you can go ahead and look up my active listings. And as you can see, my listing is right here. All right. So let's go back to managing this listing. And we're going to edit it because I'm going to show you a bonus way to make some extra money with this. And nobody has to buy your product with this method. All they need to do is click on your link and you'll make money instantly. And let me show you how that works. So let's go back to edit details. Okay, because we need to go back to that section where we put the URL site. Okay, and we're going to take this link right here and we're going to copy it. And then we're going to come to a site called short.st. And what this site does is it allows you to shrink your link, and when somebody clicks on that link, they'll be shown an ad. Okay, and when they watch that ad, even if they don't watch the whole thing, as long as they see the ad, you make money. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to paste that link there, and then we're going to hit shorten. Okay, then they'll give you a shortened link, and all you have to do is copy that and go back, and right here where it says your website URL, you go ahead and paste that link, hit continue, and what we'll do is we'll go to the active listings just so I can show you how it works. Right, we'll click on it. As you can see, here's the image, here's the video. Okay, that's a review of that product. Here's the description. Okay, and then we click on visit website. Okay, so this is what it looks like. All right, they click on the link. Now you see an ad. Okay, then they can skip this ad, and they'll be taken to the affiliate product.
In this quick video, I'm going to share with you
and that's it. They see that ad, you get paid. And all they need to do is click on that link. Alright guys, that is your way to make between $200 to $300 per day promoting other affiliate products. Alright. There's plenty of other sites like free advertising forum, free ads forums, and then you also have the freeadforum.com, which is another site like this where you can post your affiliate offers and things like that. And just like with this site right here, you can post in different locations as well. So what I would do is I would sign up to these different sites, all right, and I would 2 to 3 times a day post in different locations. Okay, if you're in the States, go ahead and post in different states. Again, this is online, so you don't need to be in a physical location. It's just a listing for that particular location. All right, so post in some different locations. For y'all that's international, choose a country and do the same thing. All right, again, if you use the link shortener method, even if the person doesn't buy the affiliate product, as long as they click on the link, you get paid either way. Now, it won't be as much as if they actually bought the affiliate product, but you're still getting paid. Something that I meant to mention is that, of course, you know, with Clickbank, you can choose direct deposit for the money to earn your cash or check. And with short.st, you can set up a PayPal to get your cash. All right, so that's how you'll cash out once you get paid, and that's about it. If you guys find this video useful, please hit the like button and share this out with anybody who you think might find this useful as well. Subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Take care.